Hello dear colleagues, welcome to Lingua Tea Club. Today's session will be about giving instructions. Teachers are sometimes surprised to discover just how much giving clear instructions to students can affect students' success in the classroom. When given effective directions, students can engage with the material more effectively and ultimately and have more productive experiences. Instructions are important. Badly given instructions can ruin an activity. You need to take time and plan what to say. Keep your language as short and as simple as possible and grade it for your class's level. Think what is minimum amount of information they have to do with the task. I'm going to demonstrate you two types of instructions. Your task is to say which instruction is good and which is bad and why. Let's see the demo lesson and discuss later. Hello children, we will play a game now. It's called Back to the Board. I like this game very much. Yesterday I was thinking, what game to play with you, and I thought this game would be perfect. Okay, those who stand back to the board must guess the word. You are one, you are two, you are one, you are two, you are one, you are two. So ones here, twos here. One person from each group stands back to the board. Others, you stand there. I show you one word and you explain the word to the person standing back to the board. Understand? Oh, no, you don't go there. Okay, oh no, you don't say the word. No Russian. Oh no, don't turn to the board. So what do you think? Was it a good instruction? No, not for sure. It was frustrating and unclear. If we had been in a real class, I'm sure there would be a mess. What do you think are some mistakes in those instructions? Yes, it was a long teacher talking time. There was no subsequence at all. Usually students like this game, but when introducing the game for the first time, make sure you have 100% of the class attention before you begin explaining the activity, or you will need to go back and things will become confused. It is helpful with lower level classes to write the basic instructions up on the board as notes. In addition, don't forget that body language is very useful. Try to avoid asking students if they understand. Many will say yes to avoid embarrassment, to please you, or believing they do when they may not fully understand. Use ICQs, instruction checking questions, to verify if they know the necessary steps of the task. Examples of ICQs for this activity could be: can you see the board? No. Can you see the word? No. What do you do if you guess the word? Say the word. Okay, and CCQs to the students who are explaining. Can you say the word? No. Can you say the word in Russian or Kyrgyz or any other languages? No. Can you whisper the word? No. What should you do? Explain, show, or mime the word. Who is the winner? The group with more points. Now list the good instructions and analyze it afterwards. Hello children, we will play a game. We need two groups. Let's say 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. Number ones, you come stand to the right. Number twos, okay, twos, you stand up and come to the left. I need one number 1 and one number 2. Come here. Okay, you stand back to the board. You don't see the words, okay? I will show you a picture. you'll need to explain the word or mime the word. You don't say it, okay? And you should find the words. Which group guesses the more words is the winner. Now, can you see the board? No. Can you see the word? No. What do you do if you guess the word? Yes, you say the word. Good. And now you. Can you say the word? No. Can you say the word in Russian or Kyrgyz or any other language? No. Can you whisper the word? No. What should you do? Yes, you explain, show or mime the word. Who is the winner? The group with more points. Let's start. That's it. In this instruction, the language was simple, step by step, and checked with ICQs. Here are some other tips for giving better instructions. With trickier tasks, ask a confident or more able student to demonstrate with you. Next, don't hand out any material before you have finished your explanation, unless students need to see it to understand. Don't forget to set time limit. Students should know how long they have for the task. Be prepared to adjust it in a class if necessary. Making things fun with more advanced levels, why not to make things interesting for them by handing out the material first and getting them to discuss what they think they have to do. Then get the groups to check their ideas with the teacher. It is vitally important that the teacher has the final word in recapping the whole set of instructions to clarify and avoid confusion. Teachers should also clearly articulate the expectations of the assignment or task, explaining what students have to do, how they have to do it, and when they have to complete it by can help them understand and follow your directions. Providing a strong, detailed rubric with the assignment can also make both the teachers' and the students' job clearer and easier. You need to repeat your directions. We assume that our students listen when we speak, but anyone who has been teaching for more than 5 minutes knows this isn't always the case. A teacher might give directions and find that their students haven't been paying attention, or that the students only half grasped the instructions. A quick look around the room, some redirections, and some repetitions can assure that every student is focused and understands what they need to do. I often write assignments and directions on the board, on the assignment sheet, and in our computer platform so that students can refer to them as they work. When you explain to students why they are being asked to complete an assignment, they are more able to appreciate the experience. Connecting the task to existing student knowledge, previous lessons, or covered material will help students feel more confident about taking the task. Use an appropriate tone. It's not just what you say, it's also how you say it. Don't yell, mumble, or castigate. Ensure the pace of your information is appropriate for grade level and ability. Don't rush or move too slowly. Pause frequently to give students time to digest the information. If an assignment is large or multifaceted, section into smaller tasks, especially if you teach younger students who can't handle a long list of directions. Breaking assignments into manageable tasks can help students feel more confident in their work. Dear teachers, that's all for today. I hope you learned something useful from our sessions. See you next time.